DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang. You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. You see me answer, gang. And today we're there with another bad, mad, sick reaction. Yeah, man. Today we got Nhance, the one named Dutty Mill. I'm gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. Nhance been doing this thing, bro. You see me answer. Shout out to Nhance. Nhance used to send me videos and things for you react to before you got boss. By the time I was like, yo, I was trying to get bigger, I'll be able to help you. But man, doing work and he boss big artist, I know. Got great potential. I wouldn't say big artist, but the dog definitely got him own buzz on own wave right now. People finally see what he got to offer and see what kind of artist he is. And people is accepting him. So right now the ball is in Nhance court. Is all about what he do with it at this point. That's going to determine how far you go in that business. You see me I say, but otherwise on that, Nhance, bad artist. You see me I say, song like Time and God and Where Can't Believe It, isn't it? Big tune, big tune. But today we got a different song, the one named Dutty Mill. We'll check it out and see what Nhance I deal with. I don't know if you're on the same conscious vibes or upliftment vibes. We're gonna find out. You see me I say, bad artist, I hope him should be a banger. You see me I say? But we now vibe. Nhance, Dutty Mill, let's get it. Dog name Wealth, wicked videographer. So if you're an artist, definitely check him out. He do a great video.
Cash code.
Cash code for anyone who went on cash code, you know they ain't a link, you know, man. Come in. About that? Bobby 6? Bobby 6 that?
Million and mobile friend. If you don't know cash code, you don't know where riches yet.
Meaning I'm be a friend. If you don't know cash code, you don't know riches. Hey, cash code, the nigga them rate you, know cash code. You must put niggas. Alright. What if you know, did cash code put niggas on, or niggas just rate the dog because dog have money and then just run in and want the dog hype? You see me, or did he actually put niggas on? Show niggas off your rear turtle and rear skirt. You see me, I say and rear. You see me, let me know in the comments, sir. Did he actually put the, well, hopefully, you know, come see niggas race and he must show niggas certain move and certain chops. You see me I say? Yeah man, go on.
Hey Vincent, is that you?
Dutty Mill, big house, fat car, double it, top nice, Dutty bitch. If she know to my standard, man not fucking it.
No sir, no sir, that's facts.
She cannot get a suck off from a body tip.
Yeah.
Can do what I want, remember my money big.
Yeah.
Can do what I want, remember she me a shit money. Rich smarty, this dolly. I travel with the big body, with the matic. Mama put her lips on it. Sit.
Put the lips on it. Wait, mama. Me not see if I just it. How could I just it? Put your lips on it. Hey, Nhance, go on you.
Big house, fat car, double it.
That's a fact. Come in, no man. Yeah, you know I want money. You know I live life. I want to money, you know, everybody need it in the world. Like, you see me? In this day and age, you need that cash, bro. So if you know it, that's something wrong with you.
Dutty, big house, fat car, double it. Top nice, Dutty bitch. If she know to my
happy nice, Dutty bitch. Come in.
standard, man not fucking it.
No.
What you mean? If she ugly, she cannot get a suck off from a body tip.
Body tip.
I can't do what I want, remember my money big. I can't do what I want, remember she me a shit money. Rich smarty, this dolly. I travel with the big body. With the
yeah, man, with the big come in.
matic, mama put her lips on it. Sit on it, better yet split on it. Yeah. Hold me on, man. Remember me till you see me rich, no lie. Fuck with me, I have to risk your life. So now we out.
Oh, me, oh, my. I'm gonna tell you something rich, no lie. You want power, me have to risk it. Come in, man, come in.
Side no bitch, don't cry. No ball to me. How you feel of the artist, mama, you're a stupid fool.
Yeah.
Every girl a talk to me. She before you plan for me, bitch, you talk to me.
One ball to me. Every girl love you, G. I want to you, mama, I want to you. You can't love half of you, through the artist, mama, I want to you. Come in.
Yeah, I don't want to see.
Yeah.
30 grand US lease for the boss jewelry. 30 mil me pull on since the last few weeks. So fucking Benz truck is not a cost to me.
No, this is a Benz truck, brother. This is not a. Hey, come here.
Had that more for see. 30 grand US lease for the boss jewelry. 30 mil me pull on since the last few weeks. So fucking Benz truck is not a cost to me. Piece of that and piece of this. Not change a change. Enhance is a piece of shit. My money hot, fever. Jewelry. 30 mil me pull on since the last few weeks. So fucking Benz truck is not a cost to me. Piece of that and piece of this. Not change a change. Enhance is a piece of shit. My money hot, fever. So what the fuck you buy a Mark X so you feel rich, bro?
Money hot, fever. You buy a Mark X, brother. And I say you're rich. Walk on.
Need that is look on me neck, no feel a fridge. He's a fucking freezer this.
Yeah.
I thought I turn a girl in a freak. I'm hold like my breeze. I laugh. And you see and test on me, cause it a talk me dog. Skill the way I say, dark me dog. I feel me kinda fast though, bro.
Come in. The man is swag on this one. Enhance, come in. Dog, the pan no motivational, no inspiration, no upliftment. None of that. Man, I talk his shit on this.
The fucking freezer this. I thought I turn a girl in a freak. I'm hold like my breeze. I laugh. And you see and test on me, cause it a talk me dog. Skill the way I say, dark me dog. I feel me kinda fast though, bro. Me I go walk it off. The corona blast me dog. Man I no lies, so who give fuck if police charge me dog. Remember me, bad man. Hack a fire shot, pam.
Oh wow, Rada, I'm coming.
Homie, yo man. Remember me till I see me rich, no lie. For boy with me, I have to risk your life. So now we outside, no bitch, don't cry.
Don't cry, man. You outside, the real thugs and arm team, man. Easy, man. We outside, we doing it, man. Hey.
Homie, yo man. Remember me till I see me rich, no lie. If my broke your heart, no bitch, don't cry. Remember me till I have to risk your life. Pretty preps, I got the fattest pussy, girl, I got the stiffest breast. Make cocky expensive, so if my plan for fuck you know, you got the richest sex.
Hey, come in, Hey, girl, no, we are dealing. Cheap, my mouth, hey, girl, no, we are dealing. Cheap boys, you know, one of them look cheap, but oh, you with this, and one of them bomber eyeglass, you with this, and one of them, you see me? Yeah, man, no, we are dealing with mama. If I get this, man, you just say, hey, most valuable you ever get in your life.
I got the stiffest breast, make cocky expensive. So if my plan for fuck you know, you got the richest sex. Your man broke him, should he even vex? Tell him for lock him out and shut him stinking breath.
Man, should vex mama, a real nigga. Hey, yeah, when Dana deal with you, man, Jambisco deal with I really, hey, easy as that.
Shut up. Money stink, I gotta show it in the bin.
Money stink, you have to dash in the bin. Come in.
I gotta show it in the bitch. Money stink, I gotta show a couple bricks.
This thing gotta throw down a bitch. This thing gotta throw a couple bricks. To them. Enhance. Enhance talking this shit on this one. Enhance say, yo, just stop playing with me. I feel like a conscious tune alone me can't play. You think like a positive tune alone me can't make, brother. I'm tuning, man, you know, so me can talk my shit. I can get on swag mode. You see me? I can talk my shit. I can. You see me? Pop my collar. I don't know. I'm tuning, man. We got the style too. Enhance, I can remind them that big up yourself, Enhance. Talented artist, you see me? I can make the conscious thing. I can make the chop thing. I can make the gallus thing. I can make the vibes thing. You see me, I say? Bad artist, man. Keep doing your thing, my G. You see me? Sky's the limit. You got your own wave and buzz now, so. Tell about what you do at this point. You see me? So we there watch your journey and see how far you take it, my G. Yeah, man. You have far to go and you have a place. There's definitely a place in the industry. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. So let me know anything about the one in the comment section. If you like it, definitely show the artists all of our support. If you make it this far in the video, why not you like and subscribe button? Huh? You cannot buy that bad mind. Especially if you come from the Caribbean, it should not be bad mind. And we burn out the most bad mind. So we are do hit like and subscribe. Become part of the gang. I'm telling you, man, do yourself a favor. Be a real nigga for once. Become part of the gang, become part of the CBC gang, the Caribbean Mike Chasers. Because you don't know, over here, so no eagles on the over here, so we stay focused on the grind and power dreams. You see me I say? Yeah, man, so become part of that. No eagles, no eagles, and no lazy people. I know. You see me? No people with ambition. You see me? Become part of it. Hit like and subscribe. Let's chop it up. Make sure you're staying on the grind. Make sure you make every day count. And you're working towards your dreams and goals. You will get it as long as you're putting in that work. Trust me. Time on God, man. You see me? Yeah. Work and believe, and you're going to achieve. You see me I say? Yeah. Work without faith is dead, and faith without work is dead. So, yeah, man, gang. Till next time. You don't know what time it is. I boy Jambisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. You see me? Most important part, each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.